Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a treat for all you cocktail enthusiasts out there. We're diving into the fascinating world of daiquiris. In this video, we'll explore what makes the daiquiri so special, its intriguing history, and we'll even share some famous daiquiri recipes. So, let's get started. What is daiquiri? In its simplest form, a daiquiri is a classic cocktail made with three primary ingredients: rum, lime juice, and sugar. It's a versatile and refreshing drink that has captured the hearts of cocktail enthusiasts around the globe. Let's break down the ingredients of a classic daiquiri. First, we have rum. Traditionally, a light or white rum is used, which provides a smooth and clean base for the cocktail. However, you can experiment with different types of rum, such as aged or spiced, to add complexity and depth to your daiquiri. Next, we have lime juice, which brings a bright, citrusy element to the drink. Freshly squeezed lime juice is essential to achieving the perfect balance of flavors in a daiquiri. It provides a tangy and refreshing note that complements the rum beautifully. Lastly, we have sugar. In its simplest form, a daiquiri calls for simple syrup, which is made by dissolving equal parts of sugar and water. The sugar adds sweetness to the cocktail, rounding out the flavors and providing a harmonious balance with the tartness of the lime juice. The history of daiquiri. The story of the daiquiri begins in the late 19th century in a small mining town called Daiquiri near Santiago, Cuba. It was a time when American mining engineers worked in the region, and one particular engineer named Jennings Cox played a crucial role in the creation of this beloved cocktail. Legend has it that in 1898, Jennings Cox was hosting a gathering but found himself without gin, a popular spirit at the time. Undeterred, Cox decided to make do with what he had on hand: local Cuban rum, lime juice, and sugar. Little did he know that this improvisation would lead to the birth of the daiquiri. The drink gained popularity among the American soldiers stationed in Cuba during the Spanish-American War. These soldiers were introduced to the refreshing cocktail and took its recipe back to the United States. From there, the daiquiri began its journey, spreading across the globe and captivating the taste buds of cocktail enthusiasts everywhere. One of the most notable figures associated with the daiquiri is the famous American writer, Ernest Hemingway. Hemingway fell in love with Cuba and its vibrant culture, including its delightful cocktails. In fact, he was a regular at the legendary El Floridita bar in Havana, where the bartenders crafted daiquiris to his specific preferences. Hemingway's favorite variation of the daiquiri was the Papa Doble, also known as the Hemingway Daiquiri or the Hemingway Special. This unique twist on the classic daiquiri omitted the sugar and added grapefruit juice and maraschino liqueur. The Papa Doble was stronger and more complex, reflecting Hemingway's bold and adventurous spirit. El Floridita, often referred to as the cradle of the daiquiri, played a significant role in popularizing this cocktail. It became a renowned gathering place for locals, celebrities, and writers like Hemingway, who found inspiration and camaraderie within its walls. Today, El Floridita remains a must-visit destination for daiquiri enthusiasts seeking to immerse themselves in the drink's rich history. Daiquiri cocktail variations. Over the years, the daiquiri has evolved, with countless variations and adaptations. Bartenders worldwide have put their own spin on this classic cocktail, incorporating various fruits, herbs, and even spices to create unique flavor profiles. In recent times, the craft cocktail movement has reinvigorated the daiquiri's popularity. Bartenders have returned to using fresh, high-quality ingredients and have elevated the daiquiri to new heights. The revival of classic cocktails, including the daiquiri, showcases the timelessness and enduring appeal of these drinks. Today, you can find daiquiris in various forms: the classic daiquiri, frozen variations, fruity renditions, and even experimental twists that push the boundaries of flavor. Despite the evolution, the spirit of the original daiquiri remains intact, delighting cocktail enthusiasts with its simplicity and refreshing taste. While the classic daiquiri is a fantastic cocktail in its own right, part of the beauty of the daiquiri lies in its versatility. It serves as a canvas for endless variations and creative adaptations. One popular variation is the frozen daiquiri, where the classic ingredients are blended with ice, resulting in a slushy and refreshing concoction. Frozen daiquiris often incorporate fruit flavors like strawberry, mango, or pineapple, adding an extra layer of sweetness and vibrancy. Another variation is the flavored daiquiri, where additional ingredients such as fruit purees, herbs, or spices are incorporated to infuse unique flavors into the cocktail. Now, let me show you some other cocktail variations of daiquiri, along with their required ingredients. Classic daiquiri: 2 ounces of white rum, 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice, 3/4 ounce of simple syrup. Strawberry daiquiri: 2 ounces of white rum, 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice, 3/4 ounce of simple syrup, 4 to 5 fresh strawberries. Pineapple daiquiri: 2 ounces of white rum, 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice, 3/4 ounce of simple syrup, 2 ounces of pineapple juice. Coconut daiquiri: 2 ounces of coconut rum, 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice, 3/4 ounce of simple syrup, 1 ounce of coconut cream. Frozen banana daiquiri: 2 ounces of white rum, 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice, 3/4 ounce of simple syrup, 1 ripe banana, 1 cup of crushed ice. Mango daiquiri: 2 ounces of white rum, 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice, 3/4 ounce of simple syrup, 2 ounces of mango puree. Passion fruit daiquiri: 2 ounces of white rum, 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice, 3/4 ounce of simple syrup, 1 ounce of passion fruit puree. Watermelon daiquiri: 2 ounces of white rum, 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice, 3/4 ounce of simple syrup, 2 ounces of watermelon juice. Hemingway daiquiri Papa Double: 2 ounces of white rum, 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice, 1/2 ounce of grapefruit juice, 1/2 ounce of maraschino liqueur. Whether you prefer the classic or enjoy exploring unique variations, the daiquiri is a cocktail with a rich history and endless possibilities. It's no wonder that it has remained a beloved drink for generations. That's all for today's video on daiquiris. We hope you enjoyed this journey through the world of this timeless cocktail. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. As always, let us know in the comments below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Until next time, cheers and keep mixing!